Hello, welcome to my channel. Our thoughts go out to all those who are affected in the storm which occurred in Durban. I hope all of y'all are keeping safe. Today we are making one of our recipes which was requested by one of the viewers in the comments, which is fried chicken necks. For my ingredients, I have 1 kilo of chicken necks that I cleaned and washed out. We are using 1 kilo because there's not much meat on chicken necks. The rest of my ingredients, I have 1 large onions that's diced, half a cup of oil. To braise, I'm going to use some 3 dry chilies, curry leaf, thyme, and then to throw in, I'm going to use green chilies which I slit in the center. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic, 1 teaspoon of fine salt to taste, and 1 teaspoon of chicken spice. A grain of pepper, a sprinkle of paprika, and then to garnish, I've got some lovely fresh dhania. This is going to be a simple recipe. Now we are ready to fry our chicken necks. I've got my stove on medium heat and my pan is heated up. I'm going to add in my half a cup of oil. Now my oil is heated up, so I'm just going to add in my dry chilies. This dry chilies to fry out. Then my thyme. My curry leaf. To this I'm going to add in my ginger garlic. Now that's fried out, I am going to add in my chicken necks. I'll allow this chicken neck to come to a fry. 20 minutes has passed and my chicken neck is coming to the fry. To this chicken neck I'm going to add in my salt, and give it a nice mix, and thereafter I'm going to add in water as required to cook. I will keep checking how it's getting done while adding water. Half an hour has passed and I used up 2 cups of water to bring the softness of the meat. I'm just going to increase my heat a little bit and then add in the rest of the ingredients, which is the chicken spice, a grain of black pepper, a sprinkle of paprika, also going to add in my green chilies. Give this a nice mix. To this, I'm going to add in my onions. And I will continue mixing till my onions are fried out. I was continuing to turn the chicken neck, and I did not use my lid because this allowed the onions to fry out without the lid. So now I'm just going to allow this to get a little more brown, and then I'm ready to garnish and serve. Now my chicken neck is done, fried out, nice and orange in color. I am ready to switch off my stove, then garnish. Now I'm ready to serve. Here you go. This is how we prepare our chicken necks. This fried chicken necks can be eaten as a starter to share, or if you got the time, you can eat it as a main course where you can sit and chew upon the bones like you're eating crab curry. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.